Hello everyone. Today I'm going to print letter D for my nameplate project. So right now I'm using TinkerCAD. Uh, it's a free software you can avail from Autodesk. So just sign up and have your account, and it's a free. You can do 3D objects and letters. So just an overview of about TinkerCAD. And yeah, you have so many shapes in here available, and you have also kind of yeah. Mm, so what I need right now is to print letter D on my project, on my nameplate project. So let's click the 3D letter H, and right here you'll have a dialog box. Change it to letter D. Oops. And I know I don't need to change this one. You can change this one. If you drag it like this, you can change it. Segments. But yes, should be for my project. I don't need to. Can click it and just put it back to. Okay. So to navigate, just click right and drag it around, and your working space will move like in Project CAD. You can also click this one, front, top, something like that. So if you are doing 3D printing, this is also good for basic shapes, letters, nameplate. So I highly recommend using this one. It's for letters, for nameplate, I mean. For me, it's easier to make here compared to Project CAD. Uh, yeah. So what I'll do now, so I'm already satisfied with the height that I need, the bevel and segments that I need. So yeah, I need to export now for 3D print, and then choose the .stl, and I have letter D in my, let's check. So should be letter D, this one. So I also want to show you again Ultimaker, which I'm using for my 3D printing. So just double click this one for us to slice the 3D letter. Just take about a couple of seconds to upload. Ultimaker, I'm using Ultimaker Cura 4.6.1. It's already old version. It's an old version, but still working for me. So here we are. Can also navigate like this by right clicking and dragging around. So to check whether it's really started on 0 coordinates or on the floor of the printing of your printing device. So it should show the objects, or the letters should show like a red. So that means it touching the your bed. of the bed of your 3D printer. So I'm good with all the settings of my 3D printer. So these are the settings you can choose, or you can modify them. I only know some of them. It's kind of default. The most important thing that I'm choosing is the quality in here. If you want like super quality, so I just use standard for now. So that if you choose higher quality, you need a lot of time to print. When you slice, it will show more time for you to print your objects. And also this infill. So if you choose 100% infill or higher infill than the 10%, so it will affect the time duration to print your object. So right now I'm choosing only standard and 10% infill, and you can also modify. The one that I'm used to modify is also this one speed. So you can adjust this one, I think, up to 100, and you can also um, the minimum that I'm using is 30 millimeter per second. So it will affect the printing, and if you choose higher or faster millimeter per second, the speed, for example, 100, so it might affect the quality of your objects, the printed objects. So I usually use 60, sometimes 80, and if I want high quality, so it's better to have like a 30 but right now I'm using 60, so it's okay for me. It's a simple object, so yeah. So if you're okay with all the settings, um, just click the slice in here, and it will show you how many minutes, how many minutes or hours it will take for you to print these objects, and the amount of PLA that you are going to use will be around 1 gram and 0.34 meter. So that's the PLA that you will consume for this kind of objects with this kind of settings, right? So it will vary depend on the settings you will set here. Uh, so I'll just put my SD card in there. Second. Okay, I already put in my SD card on my desktop. So just click the save to removable disk. So this is my removable disk. So it's already there, that G code. So it should be that G code. So and then eject, and that's it. You'll just put that SD card on your 3D printer and then do the printing. So yeah, that's the TinkerCAD and Ultimaker Cura for 3D printing. Thanks for watching.